Daddy, Sissy,
Sissy has work to do.
Caitlin, I want you to read this to Dallas.
No.
Yes.
Oh, camping. Oh yeah, Dee, we made this book.
No, we
Sit down,
have.
Dallas.
We made this book. What, Dee Dee? Camping with the Conley Sisters. We made this book.
Let's read
Camping
it.
with the Conley Sisters by Caitlin and Dallas Conley. We made this book. Once upon a time, there were two beautiful sisters named Caitlin and Dallas. They lived on Oklahoma. We made the sisters. One day they were bored. We made it. So they decided to go camping. What? What is this?
Keep going reading, Kate.
When they arrived at the forest in are special to see candy falling from the sky. Oh yeah, I see candy falling from the sky. That didn't work. Later that night, they watched a fireworks show. We did that. When the fireworks show ended, they went into their tent to play games. And then they fell asleep.
Just pretend to sleep.
When they arrived home, they weren't bored anymore.
Bored.
They were not bored anymore. The end.
That's
We
so
made-
cute.
We made that book.
When Dee Dee was here?
Yeah, we made it.
Wow.
Did he finish?
Oh my goodness. This is so adorable.
Send it to her.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all had fun with Grandma? This is beautiful.
Yeah, we made it. We made
Yeah.
it.
So y'all had to act this out, all of
Yeah,
this stuff out?
she wrote the
The skit,
words.
the
She
words.
wrote the words down.
Story.
Yeah.
They were surprised to see candy falling from the sky. He said, I see the candy.
We got candy from the cabinet. We tried to do it, but it was too fast, and we couldn't do it. So that's why Dee Dee did that.
And guess what? Okay, y'all got y'all's camping stuff in there in the room for Christmas that I got y'all. We haven't used it yet.
You should have used that.
You know? Well, y'all didn't have it yet, but y'all will.